how to set the camera photo capture to high or low quality resolution on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Camera. Next, scroll down, then tap on Formats. After that, we go down and tap on Photo Mode. In here, if you want to choose a lower resolution, you select 12 megapixel. If you want to improve your image quality when you're using the camera, you would select 24 megapixel. And this will give you more clarity and details in your picture if you select a higher resolution. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.